So guys, you have a vacuum. See, this one is good or not? But it's good, you have to buy it right now. But it's not good, don't buy it. Instead the old vacuum. So we get this big boy to get the suction. Look at it. Do this with a big vacuum. Look at this. That's two thingies. And this one. You have three vacuum mostly. Where them? Mostly you have to clean. Mostly you have to clean. It's so hard. Then, now you want to do it. So you go turn on, you go heat the vacuum. So fuck. Okay, you go. Mostly, nice. It's here. So how it clean up. It comes so much stuff. It's so powerful. You should buy it now. Don't forget to subscribe. And like again, and I have the vacuum. I can do. And make sure you should do so much likes at me. So like it like so much times. And one part I didn't show you. This inside. And you can put it back so easily, but it's a little hard. It's so easy. You should buy this vacuum and it comes with these attachments. Come with these attachments. Let's see. Okay. See it fixed? See, you got it out. See, and you put it back so easily. And you put this. And you're done making the vacuum. Take like 6 hours, maybe. Take like 6 hours, like a half. So bye, and see you again. You have to watch the other video, like mine. Good. We have to watch all of them. But you have to like them, so I get more likes. If you don't like me, I'm not gonna like you. But if you like, subscribe to me, I go like to your video. And so done. Bye.